Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today we have a delicious Turkish dish that's the star of breakfast, but perfect for any meal of the day. It is juicy, spicy, and full of flavor. It's also so simple, and I believe you will always have the ingredients on hand. Just make sure you have plenty of fresh bread because you'll want to dip into all the juices. So here's how to make it. First, add 4 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter to a non-stick medium skillet and heat gently. Add 4 chopped onions and saute for a few minutes, stirring frequently until they go translucent. We sometimes add chopped green peppers too. Add in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and 2 grated tomatoes, then saute 2 to 3 minutes more so everything softens together. Sprinkle salt over it and slowly pour in 100 milliliters of hot water, then give it a good stir. Close the lid and simmer over a low heat for 5 minutes until the onions are really nice and soft. Now make rooms for each egg and break them into these rooms. Personally, I like them as unstirred, but if you want, you can beat the eggs before adding them into the pan and stir until they are scrambled into the mixture. As a final touch, sprinkle ground black pepper. Some people like to add red pepper flakes for a bit of spice, but that's really up to you. Close the lid and wait until the eggs are cooked through. When the eggs are cooked to your liking, remove from the heat and serve right away, with fresh bread to mop it up. As I said before, although this dish is considered as a breakfast food, we make it whenever we need a quick lunch or dinner. It is that simple and delicious. I really hope you give this recipe a try and see what I mean. And it makes enough for 4 people, by the way. I really want to hear what you think, so please leave a comment, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.